I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the chromium. First, let's establish the basic structure. Start by sketching a large, perfect circle, which will serve as the primary outline for your design. Next, draw a smaller, perfectly centered circle within the first one. This inner circle will define the central blue sphere. Finally, divide the outer ring into 3 equal, pie-like sections using 2 lines originating from the center point. This creates the distinct segments. Now, let's refine the shape of the colored segments. Carefully outline the 3 distinct, curved sections in the outer ring, making sure their edges are smooth and connect precisely to the inner and outer circles. Pay close attention to the gentle curves that define each segment. Once you are satisfied with these outlines, gently erase any initial construction lines you used to divide the circle. This will clean up your drawing and prepare it for coloring. With the outlines complete, it's time to bring your chromium to life with color. Begin by coloring the central circle a vibrant, deep blue and consider adding a subtle highlight to give it a sense of spherical depth. Next, fill the 3 outer segments with their characteristic colors: red, yellow, and green. Ensure the colors are rich and evenly applied. Finally, introduce some soft shading to each colored section, especially along the edges, to create a pleasing 3-dimensional effect. For the final touches, let's refine and polish your drawing. Take a moment to review all your lines, ensuring they are crisp, clean, and consistent across the entire design. Add any last highlights or shadows that you feel will enhance the overall visual appeal and make the logo truly pop. If you desire a more professional finish, you might consider carefully inking the outlines with a fine-tipped pen. This will give your chromium drawing a sharp, polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.